What this campaign is about, or what this campaign was for, was two networking clubs. We've got two types of clubs, one which is 51.3 and the other one called Woko Woco. Two very different clubs with very different target markets. 51.3 was targeted to people between the age of 20 and 35. Woko Woco is a networking club which is for directors only, business owners and senior management. We set up a Twitter account for 51.3 and then we started getting followers. And we could see that the actual people that were following us was the perfect target market for us. And we started actively communicating with these followers. And as events were approaching, we'd tweet more about the events, we'd tweet more about things that were going to happen, and what people were going to expect at the events. We started using the blog on our website and started tweeting about the blog. People wanted to contribute to the blog. And as time started going, the momentum started to move, and we saw a lot of interest in the club. Woko Woco, on the other hand, was slightly different. When it comes to communicating on the web, they trusted LinkedIn a lot more, and they trusted traditional email marketing much more too. So yeah, we're averaging 80, 90 people per event. We've got over 200, nearly 300 registered members on the website itself, and over 200 people have actually been active and come to events. So, for a group that's only been going, for 12 months, and it's, quite an exclusively within a small area of South Wales, South East Wales, I think we've done pretty good. Woko Woco, again, they were about before we got involved, but since we started looking at their communication strategy, we've had a massive increase in visits to their website. Because of the blogs, there's more interest in people reading the blogs. So we're getting 2,000 hits, 2,000 visits a month to the website. We've got over 400 people in the directory, and I would say that the larger events attracting, the last event had over 160 people there. So the smaller events always sell out, always fully booked. The larger events beyond between 120 and 150 people, which again is the perfect amount for